been having a lot of pimples on my face of late because of eating a lot of cheese, avocados, blue band, like oof. So let me just cover that and then we're gonna start. Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to try on some of my no frontal no closure wigs. So I'm also planning to give away some of my wigs, like 3 wigs to one person, 3 or 2 wigs to one person, and you just have to choose the one that you like, because I know I have some viewers who don't love the no frontal no closure wigs, and also those who don't love the ones that have closure and on frontal. Like, it doesn't matter whichever country that you are from, I'll make a video on that in the course of the month. Yeah, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from, it doesn't matter if you're from a desert, an island, I'll ship the hair to you. So I'll make a video on that in the course of the month, so just make sure you guys participate on that giveaway. And then also guys, with the no frontal no closure wigs, I've seen like most of the people commenting and telling me to add the baby hair, or yeah, even on TikTok, like most of the people are saying like I should add like front, or I should add baby hair. But then like that wig is mostly for those people who don't want to do the baby hair or to deal with the less front. Yeah, so if you want the ones that have less front, you can just go for this type, like this. Yeah, because most of the people are actually asking me to add the baby hair. And then if you can't deal with the frontal, if you can't deal with the less, or if you can't deal with the baby hair, then this will just work. Okay, so just go for whichever that will work for you. So guys, let me just try them on and comment below if you love them. If you don't like them, just comment below your honest opinion, if you can try them, if you can't. So guys, if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below or in the description box, so you can contact me and I will make it for you. Okay,
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
So many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel